everybody.
Hey guys.
Welcome to another episode in YaadMentz Tries. Before we get into what we're doing today, just remember to subscribe if you're new.
Yes.
Check us out for more awesome content.
Hit that subscription button.
Definitely. And also remember to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz and also like our Facebook page at YaadMentz. Also,
everything is YaadMentz.
Yes. So what are we doing today?
Alright, so today we have kiss cake. See, there's a new flavor out. It's called Kiss Strawberry. It's a new flavor, just come out the other day. So we're going to try the new kiss cake. I mean, to see if it's just like, you know, the goodness that Kiss normally brings, you know, which we hope for. The package is pink, as you can see. It has the strawberry on it, so you know it's strawberry. But we're we're doing kiss cakes.
And we have a previous video trying Kiss Brownie and Kiss Blueberry Bliss. So we'll link it in the iCard so you guys can see it and check it out. But for now, we're trying the new flavor, strawberry. Big up yourself, Kiss Baking, if you're watching this. On a large, as usual, we always love on the things, so let's see if we love this strawberry flavor today.
Okay. Let's go see what's up. Alright.
Okay. And how much was for it? I think they usually have the price on it.
This is $60. $60 on it, so it's normally $60. It's not that expensive.
Yeah, it's not expensive.
I mean, but when let's not.
We can't compare it to back in the day because you know
it was like 20. I remember like $25. But inflation
and then something there.
It's gone up. Alright, so let's take a slice of it. So what's up? Wow, you see the pink color in it.
Alright, so that's similar to how the blueberry one has blue in the middle.
Put the filling.
So the filling is pink.
So how do they normally squeeze the filling? It's like there's a hole under the bottom, right?
I think there's a hole and they just inject it in it.
Right.
So then bake the cake first and then inject the filling. I don't know.
It smell like, you can smell like the Kiss brand flavor.
Oh God, I'm so excited to eat this though because
it's nice and
seems very moist as it is in my hand.
It is moist and little grease, you know, but it's the goodness of it.
Let's go, cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, I didn't expect any of this. I mean, it's the same goodness. You can taste the strawberry aroma in it. No, it's not really strawberry, but essence is there.
So a lot of people don't know how I feel about sweet things already. I don't know how I feel about Kiss.
I don't know.
Things already.
Kiss me if you give me a basket.
You know, so
give me a
comment
basket.
down below if
I'll give you some free stuff so we can give out to some of our fans to follow Kiss. Go over to, they have a page as well. We're going to link it to the description in the video and on our
also
Instagram.
check out our Instagram because we have a little short clip of this video on Instagram. If you're following us on Instagram, you will see it. And make sure to add them below that video. Alright, so if you see it out there, give Kiss Strawberry cupcakes a try.
But
what would you give it? Would you give it a YaadMentz thumbs up, thumbs down?
Definite thumbs up. Definite YaadMentz thumbs up.
YaadMentz thumbs up. And if you guys would give this a YaadMentz thumbs up if you've tried it before, let us know in the comments.
Just thumbs up.
Yes, and remember to keep giving us suggestions of new things that you guys see out there.
Some new products are out there, so you need to let us know what's happening so we can hit the supermarkets and the restaurants, and whatever out there. And try them.
I want to thank Jonna for actually suggesting this.
She did?
Yes, she actually suggested this to me on Instagram.
Cool.
For us to try the new flavor of Kiss cakes.
Right. So can I have this big one for myself?
So we have to go on to
yeah, guys, we're going to finish this off of the video.
He is going to finish this off. He's gonna finish this off the air. But anyway, it's all good. I'm trying to work on my physique, you know.
Stay tuned for the next video of YaadMentz Tries. Thank you guys for watching. Big up yourself.
And we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.
YaadMentz. When you're through watching this video, you can hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Also, head over to Instagram and follow us at YaadMentz so you can see our latest posts.